And today we will discuss Punjab University online exams, and for this we will discuss BSc English MCQs of the second chapter, that is the last lesson. That ways we have discussed before. Now we will discuss the second chapter of BSc English in MCQs form. The last lesson is written by, the right option is Alphonse Daudet. This is the writer who wrote this lesson, that is the last lesson. Alphonse Daudet was from which country? The right option is the C1, that is France. The last lesson story highlights which human habit? The right option is the B1, that is postponement, and delay is that habit which is found in human beings according to the writer. Fourth one is, in the last lesson story, who was M. Hamel? He was the language teacher. The last lesson creates the feeling of, the right option is the B1, that is loss of freedom and language. In story, the last lesson, where all the bad news came forward, the right option is the C1, that is bulletin board. These words were used to inform any bad news to the public, according to the writer, and it is mentioned in the lesson, that is the last lesson. Orders to teach in German language in the regions of Alsace and Lorraine were derived from, the right option is the C1, that is Berlin, and the other options are the wrong one, and Berlin was the place where the orders to teach in German language was given. Alphonse Daudet wrote the story, the last lesson, in which this is a duration, that is the C1 is the right one, that is 1870 to 1871. Ninth question is, why France was unwilling to go to school? The right option is the C1. He was not prepared for the lesson on that day, so he was unwilling to go to school. 10th question is, who asked France not to rush to school? The C1 is the right option, that is blacksmith Potter, who asked France not to rush to school. After reaching school, what France noticed? The right option is the B1, that France noticed the strange quietness everywhere. What was different about clothes of M. Hamel, that is on that day? M. Hamel, who was a language teacher of France, and what was different? The question is, what was different about his clothes? The right option is the C1, the clothes which he was used to wear on Prize Day, he was wearing that dress on that day. 13th question is, in the class, who were sitting on the back seats? The right option is the D1, that is village elders. Which thing surprised France the most? The right option is the C1, that is the kind and polite behavior of his language teacher, that is M. Hamel. His kind and polite behavior surprised the France the most, because usually he was not in kind and polite mood, but on that day he was kind and polite, which surprised France the most. Which areas came under the Prussian rule? That is Alsace and Lorraine, that A1 is the right option. France was feeling regretful for, the right option is not learning his mother tongue. He was in great regretful feelings, that he never tried to learn his mother tongue. 17th question is, what thunderclap in the story, the last lesson, stand for? It stands for shocking and unexpected in this story. According to M. Hamel, who was responsible for not sending students to school? The right option is the parents. According to him, parents were responsible for not sending their children to schools. 19th is, marching of soldiers under the windows in the lesson signifies which thing? The right option is the dawn of Prussia in France. France forgot the ruling and harsh behavior of M. Hamel due to which thing? The right option is his last day at school, and when Franz thought that it is the last day of his teacher at school, so he forgot the ruling and harsh behavior of his teacher instantly. What did Hauser bring with them on that day? That is old primer. M. Hamel worked for the school for how much period? The right option is the C1, that is 40 years. 23rd is according to M. Hamel, where did parents send their children? And the right option is the farms and mills. The language teacher, that is M. Hamel, he was of the opinion that parents did not send their children to schools, rather they preferred to send their children to farms and mills to earn money. On the last day at school, M. Hamel, while delivering his last lesson, emerges as a true patriot. All the people noticed that he is a real and true patriot. Villagers came to meet M. Hamel because of which reason? And they came to meet M. Hamel to show their gratitude and thankfulness for his 40-year service which he gave to this school. According to M. Hamel, when a nation has become enslaved, what key she holds to unlock her prison? The right option is the mother tongue. Mother tongue is a key that if the nation holds, and then that nation can unlock her prison. 27th question is, on last day, M. Hamel brought for his students new notebooks. Mr. M. Hamel called the French language the most beautiful because, according to him, it was the clearest and strongest language of the world. In the lesson phrase written by M. Hamel, Viva la France depicts which feelings? The right option is patriotism and sadness. These feelings were shown by this piece. What is the moral lesson of this story? Moral lesson is that don't put things for tomorrow when you can do it today. Now we will discuss that which are the points to remember, that we should remember to attempt the MCQs of the story, that is the last lesson. The last lesson is written by Alphonse Daudet, and Alphonse Daudet was from France. The story highlights the human habit of postponement of works, that human beings are used to delay their work. The next point is the lesson creates the feeling of loss of freedom and language. And the other is orders to teach in German language in the regions of Alsace and Lorraine were delivered from Berlin. The next points are, Franz did not want to go to school because he was not prepared for the lesson on that day. After reaching school, Franz noticed strange quietness everywhere. In the class, village elders were sitting on the back seats. Kind and polite behavior of M. Hamel surprised Franz the most. The next questions are, these are the points to remember. The next points are, Franz did not want to go to school because he was not prepared for the lesson on that day. After reaching school, Franz noticed strange quietness everywhere. In the class, village elders were sitting on the back seats. The other point is, kind and polite behavior of M. Hamel surprised Franz the most. The next points are, Franz was feeling regretful for not learning his mother tongue. M. Hamel told that parents are responsible for not sending their children to the school. Other point is, the Franz forgot the harsh behavior of teacher M. Hamel due to his last day at school. And M. Hamel, who worked at that school for 40 years. Villagers came to meet the teacher to show their gratitude and thankfulness. The other points are, Mr. M. Hamel called the French language the most beautiful, clearest and strongest. According to M. Hamel, when a nation has become enslaved, mother tongue is the key she holds to unlock her prison. Words thunderclap in the story The Last Lesson stands for shocking and unexpected. On last day, M. Hamel brought for his students the new notebooks. The other points are, you have to remember, these are, Alphonse Daudet wrote the story The Last Lesson in 1870 to 1871. M. Hamill was a language teacher in this lesson. M. Hamill was wearing the dress which he wore on prize days at that day. Marching of soldiers under the window signifies dawn of Prussia in France. Next points are phrase written by M. Hamill, Vive la France depicts the feelings of patriotism and sadness. Moral lesson of the story is that don't put things for tomorrow when you can do it today. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel for more videos.